Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Atlas Solar Spotlights. Let's get going! The instructions, the solar panel, and the spotlights. Now the big difference between the Atlas Solar Spotlight set of 2 and the set of 4 is the solar panel. So the solar panel itself is made of an incredibly high-grade frost-resistant polycrystalline and withstands UK winters. So the whole thing comes connected, so all that's left to do is make sure the solar panel gets charged for 12 to 24 hours. Then just make sure to press the on button, and then when it gets dark, your solar spotlights will turn on. So the light head is 6 cm by 4 cm, and the light bracket is also 6 by 4. The ground spike is 16 cm, and the solar panel is 20 by 24 cm. You get 58 cm of wire from the splitter to the solar panel, and an additional 450 cm of wire from the splitter to the solar panel. So the solar panel can be put in a really sunny spot, disguised away from your spotlights. So these adjustable light heads actually give off 200 lumens of light. The solar panel also comes with a power saving mode should you need it in those darker winter months. So these spotlights can work up to 10 hours a night and give over 25 meters of range. They are also available in a set of 2, and they come with a full year's warranty. And they are just incredibly well made. You can feel that they are made to withstand a winter. There is no plastic on the top of it at all. It is completely sturdy. So why not give your garden a brand new look by illuminating your driveways or your pathways with these fantastic solar spotlights? It's a compact design that makes a big impact, and there's no mains cables necessary, so you can put it anywhere in your garden. The warm white light really gives a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding this product, please make sure to comment it down below and we will answer. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.